Good morning, visitors. The vessel arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Paul R. Tregurtha, and she is here to load coal at Superior Midwest Energy Terminal. The Paul R. Tregurtha was built as the William J. Delancey in 1981 by American Shipbuilding Company at Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,013 feet and 6 inches in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by two 8,040 horsepower 6-cylinder Mach diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The Paul R. Tregurtha has 36 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 65 by 11 feet and weighs 6 tons each. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 71,300 tons. Above her deck is a 260-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Paul R. Tregurtha is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. Named in honor of the Vice Chairman of Interlake Steamship Company, the Tregurtha is known as the Queen of the Lakes for being the longest vessel on the Great Lakes. She was built in 2 sections, which were joined at the American Shipbuilding's Lorain Yard, ending that shipyard's long history of Great Lakes shipbuilding. What you just heard was known as the Captain's Salute. It's a long whistle followed by 2 shorts. It was the Tregurtha calling to the aerial lift bridge, and the aerial lift bridge saluting back. The Tregurtha was built for $60 million and became the flagship of Interlake Steamship. She was rechristened with her current name in 1990 to reflect Interlake's new owners. The historic Interlake Steamship Company was founded in 1913 by the massive mining and steel producing Pickens Mother and Company, which begins operating ships in 1883. The fleet was sold into private hands in 1887 and currently operates 9 ships and 1 integrated tug barge unit on the Great Lakes. Once again, the Paul R. Tregurtha is here to load coal at Superior Midwest Energy Terminal. If you see any crew on deck, make sure to wave them and give them a big welcome.